Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create this like witch sitting on a broom effect on Dress to Impress. I know that they're going to release the broom soon, but in the meantime you are going to need the new code, so get that first, and you're going to select this apple. I'm just going to color it like a dark color. And then I'm going to go to the code. I'm going to select this. You can color it any color you want. Just going to color it like this, and you can even remove the X if you'd like to. Select the low toggle like this. And then you're going to go to the poses. You'll need the mermaid pose for this. If you don't have it, you need to buy it. And you're just going to select this one. Maybe you don't need the apple. No, you don't. And that is it. It looks like you're on like a broomstick. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.